Good morning, dear student. In our grammar, our lesson 10 and the 10 lesson name is three forms of verb here. So, what is the use of three forms of verb? We know that whatever the changing occur in a sentence related to the tense. So, we have the 12 tense, and for the different tense, we have to use the different forms of verb. So, we have the three forms of the verb here, and that is we must have to know the present forms of the verb and the past forms of the verb and past participle forms of verb, because without verb we cannot make any sentence. So whatever the changing occurred, we have to change in a verb. So we have the three forms of the verb. Here in this video we learn here in a blanks here. So we use here in which blank, or when we have to use the present forms of verb, when we have to use the past forms of the verb, and when we have to use the past participle forms of the verb. We know that if the sentence show the present tense, so we have to use the present forms of the verb, and the sentence show the past form. How can we understand the sentence is in a past form? If we see here the yesterday, the last word or before word is there in a sentence, so definitely we can say that we have to use the past forms of the verb. And what is the use of the past participle form? So for making the passive voice, the sentence is in a passive voice, or the we can say that present participle, the tense to show the sentence is in a present perfect, and the past perfect tense is there. How can we understand? So if the sentence has or had helping verb is given, on that times we have to use the past participle forms of verb here. Now we see the example is given here. Like first example is given, like we should drink pure water here. So here two option is given here, drink and drank here. So which is proper word? We seeing the sentence, we can say that we should drink because of each and every day, the talk of each and every day we have to drink the pure water. Due to this we have to put the present forms of verb drink here. Then here Vraj had fallen from the tree here. So fell is a past form and fallen is a past participle form. So I have used here the fallen because here had helping verb is given here. If the have, has or had is given helping verb in a sentence or in a blank, so we have to use the past participle forms of verb fallen. So by seeing the had, we have to put here fallen here. Then India became free in 1947. It means 1947 here. So India became free. India became free here in a 1947. By seeing the sentence, we can say that it is the talk of past tense here. So became is a past forms of verb. So we have to use here the past forms of verb became here. By seeing this date here mentioned here. Then fourth example, my father bought apple yesterday here. So by seeing here buy and bought is given here. So which is proper here we have to use here. So by seeing yesterday, by seeing the yesterday we can say that the sentence is in a past tense. So buy change into bought in a past tense. So we have to write here bought in a past tense here. Again in a fifth number, Meena has broken the glass. So here has helping verb is given, has, have or had is given. So we have to write the past participle forms of verb, that is broken. So break change into broken in a past participle form. So by seeing has, we have to write broken here. Then Priya went to Canada yesterday. So this is a talk of yesterday. So go change into went. So we have to put here went in a past form. By saying yesterday, we have to write the past forms of the verb. Then Joy has is given, so we have to write the past forms of verb, that is left. Joy has left Mumbai here. So has seen, by we can say that leave change into left in a past participle form. Again in a 8 number have is given. So I have take change into taken, because by seeing have, it is the sentence is in a past participle forms here. So by seeing have, we have to write the past participle form of take word, that is taken here. So taken is a proper answer here. Then Tia sang a song. So each and every day here, Tia sing each and every day the song, and that is the time is not mentioned here yesterday. So we have to write the present forms of the verbs. It is proper here. Then again in a 10 example given here, like I have invited my friends on my birthday here. So invite change into invited by seeing have, that is past participle forms of verb here. Then another 11 example is given here, like they know English well here. So know is given here, and that is we are talking about the present forms of the verb. So the sentence is in a present form, so we have to write the present forms of the verb know here. Then again the 12 example have is given here, so we have to write the past participle forms of the verb complete change into completed in a 12 example. So our answer is I have completed my homework here. Then Ved began his office yesterday. By seeing the yesterday, we can say that we have to write the past forms of the verb begun. So begun, begin change into began in a past forms of the verb here. Then 14 example, the huge animal. The huge animal is given here. At the huge animal each and every day they carry the load here. So we are talking about the present form, that is a simple present tense. Each and every day the huge animal carry the load here. So we have to write the present forms of the verb carry here. Then 15 example, the storm blew in Gujarat yesterday. So by saying the yesterday, we have to write the past forms of the verb blew here. So we have to keep here blew here. Then in 16 example, we can say that Anup got visa of Canada last week is given here. So we can say that last week is given here. So by saying the last week, we have to write the past forms of the verb get changed into got in a past tense. Then again here, I hurt my finger yesterday. So yesterday, seeing the yesterday, we can say that here we have to write the hurt. But here hurt remained the same here in a past tense and past participle forms of verb. So there will be no change in a past forms of the verb hurt here. So hurt remain hurt here in a past tense and past participle forms of verb here. So hurt remain hurt here. Then we can say that Tom painted the fence last month. So last month is given here. So we have to write the past forms of the verb. Paint change into painted in a past tense here. Then I have solved the sums here. So have is given here. When have, has and had is given, on that times we have to use the past participle forms of the verb. But here we have to edit ed to make the past participle form. So here our answer is solved here. Then Kamal was. Here we can say that it is given here the passive voice. The passive voice. The sentence is in a passive voice. On that times we have to also use the past participle forms of verb here. So by seeing by, we can say that the sentence is in a past participle forms of verb. So Kamal was punished by teacher yesterday. So by seeing the yesterday as well as here given here punished. So punished we have to use because the sentence is in a past form. Then 21 example, mobile was stolen by a child. Steal is a present form and stole is a past form and stolen is a past participle forms of verb here. So by seeing by, the sentence is in a passive voice. So on that time we have to use the past participle forms of the verb stolen. So steal change into stolen in a past participle forms of verb here. Now we see here the do as a directed is given here. So we see here the first question. What the first question tell us? What is the past forms of stand? So we know that stand change into stood in a past forms of verb here. The second question, what is the past participle forms of draw? Draw change into drawn. We have to added and to make the past participle forms of verb draw here. So our answer is drawn here. Then third question, what is the present forms of begun? Begun, so we can say that here begin is a present forms of verb begun here. Our fourth question here, write the three example that has three forms of verb same here. So we can say that cut, hit, read, put, hurt. There will be no change. It means the three forms of verb remain the same here. Then write the past and past participle forms of following verb. Like drink change into drank in a past and drank change into drunk in a past participle forms here. Sing change into sang in a past and sang change into sung in a past participle forms of verb. Then new change into new and again here non in a past participle forms of verb here. Then three blanks is given here. So we can say that I have blanks, a letter is given. Write is a present forms of verb is given here. So which forms of verb we have to use here? By seeing have we have to write the past participle forms of verb here. So by seeing have we can say that written is our answer, because write is a present form, write change it to wrote in a past form, but here we need the use of past participle forms of verbs. So write change into written in a past participle forms of verb. Then here, my mother made pizza yesterday. Here make is given in a blanks here. So by seeing here yesterday, we say that it is past tense. We have to use the simple past tense here. So make change into made here. We have to write the past forms of verb. Make change into made. Then here the bird. The bird fly in the sky here. So here fly verb is given here. So by seeing the fly, and we know that each and every day the birds fly in the sky each and every day here. So we have to write the present forms of the verb here in these blanks here. So in short, we can say that there are three forms of the verb here. By seeing the sentence, we can use here the proper forms of verb. It means we are talking, we want to talk in a present tense, so we have to use the present forms of the verb. Then after we want to talk past tense, it means yesterday, and the last and before word is given here, on that times we have to use the past forms of the verb here. Then for the passive voice, if we have the passive voice, by is given in a sentence, or have, has or had in a sentence given helping verb, on that times we have to use the past participle forms of verb here. Okay, so you can learn here very well by seeing this video. Okay, thank you.